This full-size, mechanical typewriter-style keyboard combines nostalgic round keycaps with a sturdy metal frame, giving desks a distinctive retro look that still feels solid and premium in daily use. The custom pink linear switches offer a smooth, light key press with a pleasantly muted sound, making long typing or gaming sessions comfortable without being overly noisy. Wireless flexibility is excellent, with Bluetooth 2.4 GHz wireless and wired USB Type-C all available, plus the ability to keep several devices paired and switch between them quickly. The white backlighting includes many different effects and adjustable brightness and speed, and the dedicated media knob makes it easy to fine-tune lighting and volume without leaving your work or game. Full key anti-ghosting ensures that even very fast typing or complex game inputs register accurately, so you do not run into missed or stuck commands when you press many keys at once. Compatibility is broad, working smoothly with common Windows, Mac, and Linux setups, so it drops into most home or office systems with no extra drivers or complicated configuration.